This is Morten Reitsot from INKISH TV, and this time we are reporting live from Kyoto at the Think Smart factory. This event is actually a very interesting event because it's one of the few events in the world where you actually see end-to-end solutions. So behind me there's a lot of exhibitions and a lot of booths here, but the interesting thing here is that you have actually 10 complete workflow where you have everything from saddle stitch to perfect bound to different applications that are really, really interesting. During the next 3 days we will be showing all the 10 different workflows so you can see for yourself how smart this Think Smart factory is, and together with the almost 3,000 visitors coming from all over the world to Kyoto, we hope that we can participate in bringing you some of the vibe from the show here. Already very exciting. It's about 11 o'clock here in Kyoto right now, and I think that we're just very excited, so why not dig into it right away.
Of course, this event is not created by Horizon only, with all the printer vendors, software vendors all together to make this happen. I feel more customer need a efficient finishing solution. So I don't know Horizon can answer all the requests, but at least we can show them maybe this is your future. Maybe this is your solution. Maybe this is some idea. So we are very much looking for further discussion with the customer.
Horizon is a very pragmatically oriented company, and they put a lot of thought and attention into trying to detect what the customer's genuine pain points are and address those in a very efficient and easy to use way. So the solution that's being shown here at the event is not completely commercially available or is not fully hardened up yet. I think the intent is to have it will be coming to market quite soon. When it does come to market, I'm quite certain that it's going to be very well tuned to customers' actual requirements.
Of course, what we see here at the Smart Factory event is what I really believe our customers, our industry is asking for. Automated solution, and nobody can do the whole automation process from end to end alone. It needs cooperation, it needs collaboration between different vendors in our industry, and I'm very happy to see that happening here also in Japan under the leadership of Horizon for the Smart Factory event.